Use multiplication facts to multiply decimals. If we were asked to multiply 0.6 by 8, we could say that it's the same as 6 divided by 10 multiplied by 8, because 0.6 is the same as 6 divided by 10. We can make sure that's correct by thinking what we need to do when we divide a number by 10. At the moment, 6 is, for the purposes of this, the same as 6.0. We can move our decimal place one figure to the left if we're dividing by 10. It's not completely correct in terms of what's happening, it's more the figure is moving columns. So the figure itself, when we divide by 10, is moving out of the units column, U for units, into the tenths column. So 6 becomes 0.6. However, if you recognise that 0.6 is the same as 6 divided by 10, you'll be able to use your knowledge of multiplication to say that 6 times 8 is, or let me think, well, you can do 5 times 8 first of all, to make sure you get this correct, which you might know is 40, because 10 times 8 is 80. Half of that is the same as 5 times 8, which is 40. Add another 8 on to move us to 6 times 8 is 48. That being the case, you could say that 6 times, or 0.6, 6 tenths times 8 is 10 times smaller than 48, so we could divide 48 by 10, and our decimal place is here at the moment, so we move the decimal place, instead of between the 8 and the 0 we can't see here, we move between the 4 and the 8, so it's 4.8, so our answer to 0.6 times 8 is 4.8. So some times tables we already knew can be used to solve a simple decimal or a simple multiplication involving a decimal.